All the laptops being announced here at CES 2019 in Vegas have one thing in common. They're all in a race to have the slimmest bezels. And while CES hasn't officially opened its doors just yet, we might just have a winner in our hands. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, you're watching GadgetMatch, and this is our ASUS ZenBook S13 first look. 97% of the new ZenBook's front panel is all display. Each bezel is only 4 millimeters thick on all of its 4 sides. ASUS is proud of this fact because many of its competitors have maybe a larger forehead or a chin to make space for a front camera and display drivers. The extra bit on the ZenBook S13 is this oddly shaped portion up here. It's unusual, but it's both a design feature that looks good and is practical, as it makes room to keep the front camera up here where all front cameras should be. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. This is an early sample that ASUS got to us so that we could get you this video early. I'm really loving this finish. Just like in the previous model, this is all cut from a single block of aluminum. The shiny diamond cut chamfers are a really elegant touch, and I can't help but appreciate how beautiful it is. Our unit is still missing a protective layer, a final coat, so to speak, so it's important to take note of that. ASUS isn't decided yet if they're going to do an all aluminum finish like this one, but I really like it. But I'm also excited about their new color, Utopian Blue, which will have rose gold accents around the chamfered edges. You're going to have to imagine it for now. Completing the chapter on design is the Ergo lift hinge they introduced last year. When you open up the display, the bottom portion slides out to give the laptop a tilt and some ventilation for cooling. Another really good design decision. ASUS wants the ZenBook S13 to go head-to-head with the MateBook X Pro from Huawei and the Dell XPS 13, so they're giving this computer the best specs possible. One standout feature is its ultra-bright display. That's a product of new technology they've developed with Intel. It's also the first laptop in this series to get a dedicated graphics card for those users who need more power for graphics-intensive tasks like video editing and gaming. ASUS says it's the world's slimmest laptop with discrete graphics. The latest Intel processor and a whole bunch of other tech make this a capable laptop that packs enough punch. While we haven't had time to test it ourselves, ASUS promises the battery on the ZenBook S13 should last you up to 15 hours on a single charge. It also comes with fast charging, so you can power it up to 60% in 49 minutes. For now, I can tell you what it's like to use the device. The ZenBook S13 is small and lightweight, but still has enough heft and sturdiness to it. The display is as bright as promised. Not sure if I'm a fan of its 16:9 aspect ratio, to be honest. Not for a device this small. Typing on the keyboard feels nice. Key presses have just the right amount of click to it. The trackpad is smaller than what I'm used to, but you have to forgive it considering how small this device is. It's got a built-in fingerprint scanner for unlocking your device. The Harman Kardon speakers aren't the loudest, I've heard, but have good clarity to them. And when it comes to available ports, you have 2 USB-C, a micro SD card reader, 1 USB-A, which is a good thing, and a headphone jack. And if you feel that's still not enough ports, don't worry, ASUS says they will be bundling an adapter when they ship the retail version over the next few months. They will be shipping to Taiwan first, and then the US will come in around March or April. And that was our ASUS ZenBook S13 first look. For more videos from CES 2019, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video, because we'll be posting a lot of them. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff. And as always, make sure you make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in Las Vegas, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.